Same.
Okay, F-same po yan. So therefore, ang F-same po natin ay F.
Sine.
Opposite. So sine. 30 degrees. And let's see. This is 75 pounds. Sine 30. What is the answer?
7.5.
37.5. 5
lang po.
0. 5 0. Pound. Okay, for the drawing, pag may drawing, 5 points. For F-same, 5 points. Okay, let's go now to what do you call to this side? Ano yung pangalan nito? Ito. Pangalan muna. Fxy. Okay, Fxy. Ano? Relationship ni 30 degrees kay Fxy. Adjacent. So therefore, F. Uy, pag adjacent, sabihin niyo po. Cosine 30 degrees. So therefore, this is 75 pounds. Cosine 30. So that is, what is Fxy? 95 pounds. Another 5 points. 5 points. So naka 50 na, tama? So already 50. Now, let's go to the next drawing. Ano po nilo-draw si? So this is Fxy. So kailangan yung unang i-drawing si Fxy. So this is Fxy. What is this axis? This is positive
Y.
How about this?
Negative X.
Ito po. Ano po yan? Positive X. Okay, positive X. Now, nasaan si 45?
Near na Y.
Nasa Y. Tatandaan na, malapit sa Y yan. So, therefore, since malapit po siya sa Y, dito po yung ating triangle.
Yes.
What do you call to this side?
FXY. FXY.
Fy. Give me, and if this one, Fx. Anong relationship ni Fx? Opposite. So therefore, Fx is equal to Fxy sine 45. Nagkataon lang to, pare 45 degrees ha. Pero pag hindi po to 45, mali kayo. Okay? Dapat sine po ito, tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Yung mga nag-cosine dito, kahit tama yung sagot, mali. Okay? Kunwari, what is the answer here?
45.93.
45.53. Tama ba?
93.
Is
93.
45.93. 93.
Yes, ma'am.
93. Okay, so that is, how about Fy? Fxy, anong relationship?
Cosine. Adjacent.
Cosine, adjacent, okay. So same. So Fy po natin is 45.93 pound. 93 po ito 93. Okay, so this is 5 points. 5 points. 5 points. Ang kapalitan nyo po dapat ay hindi nyo pa-row. Okay? So we have now, ano na to, 30. Let's go to the final answer. What is Fx?
Ano, 45